to us here down in Manchester. We're at our exclusive site, the Lyceum, for our latest construction update. Now, as you can see around me, there's lots happening on site. A busy site means happy investors. So what I'm going to do is talk you through the latest construction update to give you an insight into what's going to be happening over the next couple of months. The external excavation work is pretty much completed now. As you can see around me, the hoardings and fences are now being put up. There's porter cabins and cabins being installed on site. Around me, this whole area will be stoned over the next 1 to 2 weeks. Now, all of this is happening really quickly. There's now a full team on site. As you can see behind me, we've got the digger on site now, as well as additional machinery due to be later on in the week. This is going to be here removing the external debris for the stonework that will be put in over the next couple of weeks. Now, they're expecting to be on site inside the building to conduct the internal demolition work within the next 2 weeks. Once the internal demolition work has finished and taken place, the internal steels will then be erected to support the interior facade. So it's really exciting to see everything that's happening on site, and it's fantastic now that we have a full team. So what we're going to be doing today is also taking you inside the Goodwin offices to show you what happens behind the scenes with the internal teams. So there's a lot that goes on in the background rather than just the front end and build work that you don't see, and I wanted to give you a little bit of an insight into exactly what goes on and all the work that is put in to achieving a development like this. So working behind me is the internal construction and design team, working tirelessly away to ensure that everything's up to standard and to an absolute perfection. As you can see behind me, everybody's working away. What I'm going to show you is a little bit of an insight into the design of this type of build and what goes on into the exact construction phases behind closed doors. So as you can see, a lot goes into this type of building and this type of development. From the computer-aided design work to the structures to ensuring that the floor plans are exactly upon specification. So I thought it'd be really good to take you inside, show you the internal team, and then give you a real insight into exactly what it takes to get a development like this off the ground. So join us back in a couple of weeks on site so we can give you a further construction update. Thank you very much for joining me here today. If you are interested in this development or you do have any inquiries whatsoever, please don't hesitate to get in contact with one of our designated property team on the contact information below. So that's it from us here today. Thank you very much for joining me.